Hello, we are back again with another amazing video. Thanks for being here. I hope you people are doing so well. In this video, we are going to show you some wood projects that you can make at home, and by selling this wood product, you can earn some money. If you are a woodworking enthusiast looking to put your skill to good use and potentially earn some extra money, there are plenty of beautiful wood projects that you can make at home and sell. Here are a few ideas that are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Cutting board are essential kitchen item and make and a well-made handcraft cutting board can be a beautiful addition to any kitchen. You can experiment with different wood types such as maple, cherry and walnut to create a unique pattern and the design. Adding personalized carving or some custom shapes, you can make them even more appealing to the customer. When selling your wood project, consider setting up an online store, showcasing your product at a local craft fair, or leveraging social media's platform to reach the potential customers. Remember to price your item competitively, considering the cost of material, labor, and your desired profit margin. With some dedication, creativity, and the quality craftsmanships, you can turn more woodworking hobby into a profitable business venture. There are the several benefits of making and selling wood product and the wood project. Woodworking allows you to express your creativity and the craftsmanship by designing and creating a unique piece that reflects your personal style. Seeing your ideas come to the life and producing beautiful woodwork project can be deeply fulfilling and satisfying. When you work from home, you have a flexibility to set your own schedule and work at your own space. This will allow you to have a more control on your time and the work balance as well. You can also be your own boss, making independent decisions about our business pricing and the marketing strategies. Selling wood project can be a lucrative venture by creating high quality unique pieces. You can recommend a premium price and the potential earn a sustainable income. As you gain experience and build a custom base, you may even be able to turn your woodworking hobby into a full-time business. Woodworking can be environment friendly especially if you are reclaimed or the purpose wood. By giving a new life to old wood, you can contribute sustainability effort and the reduce waste. Additionally, using natural material like wood can offer more eco-friendly alternative to the mass-produced synthetic and home decor items. Community engagement: if you sell your project locally, such as craft fairs and the other markets, you can engage with your community and build meaningful connection with the customer. This can lead to repeat business and the more of the month and referral, helping your sustainable loyal customer. In conclusion, making us selling beautiful wood project from home can offer numerous benefits, including creative fulfillment, flexibility, and the income potential. With the decision and the passion, woodworking can be a rewarding hobby that also has the potential to generate income and create the thriving businesses. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for contributing and thanks for appreciating.